Hi guys, the Benidorm Enthusiast here, and today we are taking you for a tram ride. Yes, we're going to go from Benidorm right the way to Alicante on the tram. This is a fantastic way of getting to Alicante, and there are loads of great stops on the way which we'll show you in other videos as well. Today we're going to do the full L1 line from Benidorm straight into the city centre of Alicante. So I'm at the tram station now. I've just got off the #1 bus, which you can get from most of the Levante side. We have done a full video on that as well, showing you all the stops to get on the #1 bus. So if you haven't seen that video, check that out. We'll add that in the video description. First of all, let me go get my ticket, show you how that's done. Then we'll show you a bit of the route, and then we'll show you where we get off in Alicante. So as soon as you come into the station, you've got two big machines right in front of you, and these are really easy to use. You can even change the language into English. Choose whether you want a single or a return. To go into the city centre, it's $2.80 for a single and $4.80 for a return. We're just going to be doing a single journey today. And the station we're going to be taking you to is the main station in the centre of Alicante, which is Alicante Luceros. There we go, €2.80, and there's two of us. So you change your quantity to two, €5.60. Then you just put your money in. Simple as that, and then it'll print your tickets. And don't forget, if you are doing a return journey, hold on to your tickets. There is also a little ticket office here and an information desk as well. If you do get stuck on the machine, just come and ask them here and they'll help you out. And then you just make your way through the gate, you scan your ticket, off you go. So when you get into the actual station, you've got two platforms, and the one to get you to Alicante is on the same side as the entrance that you just came through. It's the L1 line that you want to go to Alicante. The platform over the other side is the L9, and on that you can go right the way to Denia, and I'm sure we'll be taking you on there on another video soon as well. So here you can see the route that we're going to take right the way to Alicante. There are 29 stops on the way. It's a very scenic ride. There is actually another tram station in Benidorm near the bus station, but I wouldn't recommend trying to get to Alicante from that one, because not every tram goes from there. That's mainly if you want to be going in the opposite direction to Denia. So this is your safest bet to get the tram to Alicante. It is a little bit out the way at the back of the old town, but as I said, the easiest way is just get on the #1 bus. You've got a massive timetable on the platform as well, so you can plan your route accordingly. The trams run every half an hour. The first one is 6:35 in the morning, so then it's 7:05, 7:35, 8:05, so on and so forth. And the last one, which takes you right the way to Alicante, is 10:05 in the evening. Now we've just got to wait for the tram to arrive, and I'm really hoping it's not going to be too busy today, but we are in the peak summer months. There's a lot of people travelling about. Let's just hope that we can get a seat. And we're on, and we've got ourselves a nice little window seat as well, air conditioned inside as well, so it's nice and cool at the moment, but it will get busier as we make our route towards Alicante. The full ride from Benidorm to Alicante is around 1 hour 20 minutes long, and there are 29 stops en route. It basically runs right the way along the coast, and there are some lovely towns along the way you could stop at for a day out. We will be taking you to some of these places in future videos,
But if you'd like to go there yourself beforehand, then I would recommend you go and see La Villa Hayosa, and for that you'd be best getting off at the Cruta stop. Also, El Campello further along is beautiful and closer to Alicante, but still part of the El Campello area. But a bit closer to San Juan is a gorgeous beach called Mucha Vista. The stop to get off for that is called the same.
Just coming up to the last stop now where we'll be getting off, which is Luceros. That's it, we're here, we're in Alicante at Luceros. It's not the quickest way to get to Alicante, that. If you were to drive this, you could do it in about 35-40 minutes. But I've got to say, it's a nice ride, it's nice and scenic, it's pretty relaxing. I don't know if the camera is going to do it justice because they have got the sun screen on the windows, but when you sat there, you're taking in the sights. Yeah, it's a nice chilled ride, and it was nowhere near as busy as I thought it was going to be either. I thought it was going to be quite hectic. Weekends might be busier, and obviously the kids as well use that line quite a lot when they're getting to university in Alicante, so probably during term time, early in the mornings and late afternoons, you're going to have a bit of a rush hour as well. But for me, that was a nice, enjoyable ride. Now, to get into the city of Alicante, we want to go up to ground level, so up the escalator we go. Don't throw your ticket away while you're on the tram because you do need it to get out. So where do you go when you come through the ticket gate? Because Alicante is a big place, and here in the station you've got exits on 3 sides, escalators on the right and the left, and a stairs and a lift at the end as well. So I would recommend, if you're a newbie to Alicante, just to find your bearings, come out of the ticket gate, go left and head down towards the harbour area. Welcome to Alicante. Don't forget to get your bearings before you do go on a wander around Alicante. You've got a big monument in the middle of the roundabout. Take note of where that is and get a good look at it so you know where to head back to. As I said before, if you are new to Alicante, I would suggest that you head straight down this road, and that will lead you to the port and the harbour area, and we're going to be taking you there on our next video, so make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss it. Also check us out on Facebook, Instagram, X and TikTok at the Benidorm Enthusiast. Stay positive and stay safe.